What's up, Magnolia? Alright, what we're going to be doing today is called the Happy Ball. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm John.
And I'm Zed, and today we're going to do a contest, and we need at least, 10 people. At least 10 people to compete, and John is going to explain the contest.
Okay, it'll be good if we had at least 5 guys and 5 girls, but you know, we get what we get. So this is what the whole game is. It's to get people active, you know, to stay active, to you know, exercise and whatnot. But what we're going to be doing is when you hit the ball inside the middle, and you got to try and keep it in the middle. If you hit it outside of the circle, then you're out. You're out. And you only use your left hand. So yeah. If anybody wants to come, you know, come right now and help us out with this game and stay active.
Nada!
Nada, come on!